In today's video, I'll teach you how to allow only admin to send messages in Messenger group. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Messenger application. You can see over here Messenger application has been opened. Make sure you're logged into your account. So in the group chat, if you only want the admin to send the messages, you'll not be able to find that particular settings within the group chat itself. But what you can do is create the community chat. For that, tap on the menu icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to the menu interface. Over here, if you find the option for community chat, tap on it, get started and create the community chat. Once you do that, in the community chat only the admin will be able to send the messages. The followers and subscribers will not be able to do so. Unfortunately, that option is not available for me. If that option is not available for you, you'll not be able to do that. But you'll be able to limit the messages of others. What you can do is simply limit others' messages to the Meta AI except the admin. For that, go to the chat's interface. Now tap on the group chat in which you want to limit the messages. Now that particular group chat will be opened. Tap on the group name that you can see at top. Now once you do that, you can see over here you'll be able to access the group settings. What you have to do is scroll down under the section for privacy and support, tap on this option message permissions. Now you can see over here you'll be able to find this option for allow message sharing. If this is enabled, everyone in this chat will be able to share the messages with Meta AI or autosave photos. So in order to limit the messages, what you can do is toggle this button off. Now after you do that, the members of the group will be able to send the messages, but they'll not be able to share the messages with Meta AI. So this is the thing that you can do in order to limit the messages. So that is how you only allow admin to send messages in Messenger group. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.